Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Flat Bridge. We are driving through the gorge and we're going to go over Flat Bridge soon. Now guys, do you think it's time they replace Flat Bridge with another bridge? This bridge, it is old and it's a historic site. So I'm not saying destroy Flat Bridge, I'm just saying I'm asking you guys a question. Do you think Flat Bridge can manage all of this traffic that goes over it for a bridge that's so old? And also, so many trucks use Flat Bridge, and these trucks are heavy. They're carrying cargo, and there is no weighing station to know just exactly how heavy these trucks are. Now, Flat Bridge, it's the oldest bridge in Jamaica and could be the oldest bridge in the Caribbean. It was built back from the days of slavery. So I think it's time that they build a new bridge. Keep Flat Bridge, can even keep it in use for cars and small vehicles, but you need another bridge for these trucks to use. And another thing is, it's a historic site, so we shouldn't use it until the thing collapses or drops down. It could be a tourist attraction, and there is plenty of space to build another bridge across. You can build it right beside Flat Bridge. To build another bridge, a more modern bridge and a two-way bridge. Flat Bridge is a one-way bridge. It has a stoplight on it, but now we're coming up to Flat Bridge now. Flat Bridge is located in the Bogwalk Gorge. So when this road is blocked, remember now it's a single lane bridge. We actually have videos up of this bridge being blocked. There it is over there on the right. You have to turn around and go back out the gorge and go either to the highway or over Sligoville. The highway is a toll road, so you have to pay, and Sligoville is an awful drive over the hill. I haven't done it in a while, but the condition of the road, I can just imagine. Let me see if I can get you a picture of the bridge. There you go. So when this bridge is blocked, that's it. You have to turn around and go another way. And look at the bridge, it has no railings. And unfortunately, accidents have happened where cars go over the bridge. Even this week, there was an incident where a car drove off the road. It wasn't over the bridge, but close to the bridge. So I think it's time and look, you can build another bridge right there, or you can build it right there beside it. So it's not a case where, and to build a bridge right here, you could even go up here and go across. It can be done. The space is there. Build it right beside it. The technology that exists today. Now the light has been red for quite some time. I'm wondering if it's working. Okay, there goes somebody, so we will just follow them. Look at this. No railing, and that is a pothole on the bridge. Now that is not good, because when people well, I'd hate to think you would swerve, but so guys, look at all the space here. You can easily bring the bridge over. So I think it's time that they build a second bridge there and either retire that one or just use it for small vehicles, and the heavy trucks use the other bridge, because that bridge is probably the 1600s it was built. I don't remember the exact date, but it's the oldest bridge in Jamaica, so it could be the 1600s. That would make it 400 years old, and it is over a river. That the reason why that bridge doesn't have any railings is because it goes across the Rio Cobre. And when it rains heavily, the water covers the bridge. So if you put railing there, because they've done it before, the force of the water is going to damage the railing and eventually wash it away. This is the Bogwalk Gorge, and there are times when you have to close the gorge because the Rio Cobre rises up when it rains heavy, and the water comes up onto the level of the road. So I mean, I wouldn't say to build a new road going through the gorge, that would be too expensive, but I think it's time that a replacement bridge be built for Flat Bridge, but not destroying Flat Bridge because it is a historic site, and just build a second bridge beside it or close to it for the traffic to use. Guys, let me know what you think. This gorge is actually one of the most scenic drives in Jamaica. Very beautiful. Another one is Flat Bridge, not Flat Bridge, Fern Gully. Okay, something's going on back there. Going to the light pole. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below and enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive through the gorge towards Bog Walk.